Okay, this is just a feedback interview from your side. Then, first of all, congrats for your placement, Akhil.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself?
Um, yeah, myself Akhil, and I'm from Bangalore. I've done my BE in Vemana Institute of Technology. Um, so basically, how do I came when coming to how do I came to know CMTI? It was through my college HOD. So she introduced me to this CMTI. Like once I came to CMTI, I met all the faculties. They were easy with communicating, so they helped me to get this placement
Okay, how did you got to know CMTI?
through my HOD, ma'am. Through my college HOD.
Through your college HOD. Okay, like I got to know that you have taken the courses in online, right? How
Yes,
did
ma'am.
CMTI app help you to like take the courses in online? How did that benefit you?
Actually, to say, um, I've taken SketchUp MSP project planning using MSP and quantity surveying course. So it was very useful, and it was like learned myself. It was very useful, ma'am.
Okay, then how was the interview process and all? How did you crack the interview?
Uh, there were like 3 rounds in the interview, ma'am. So
Mm.
it was it was a simple interview, ma'am. So, so just to explain what you know, like show your need to show the talents what you have in the interview. So I've cracked these two rounds and talked to HR. Then I've got selected, ma'am.
Okay, how was the coordination by the HR for your placement and all?
The coordination with the HR, it was very easy, ma'am. She was so friendly, and uh, she was communicating at all the time. Whenever I call, like if there is any query, she was answering me well, and if there is any doubt, she was clearing all the doubts, ma'am.
Okay,
She
what do you want to say? Ah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, she assisted me well, ma'am. Like throughout this placement.
Yeah, throughout the placement process.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, then lastly, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I would say like my friends to learn more things and get to know about CMTI, like how they are teaching and other placement assistants and all. Like I'll explain about that.